I had this beautiful family and this amazing husband and this amazing life, and yet every day just felt very empty. I was an ugly, nasty skeptic. I was the one who was vocal about my skepticism with anything related to health and wellness, direct sales. I was not into it. I was not here for it. So I sent a message to that old friend and I said, hey, I need you to send me a sample of that stuff. I got the product and I took it correctly. And I remembered in that 3-day period, nothing magnificent happened. Nothing, mind-blowing. And I remembered it made me feel so much better because I was actually putting sustenance in my body at the beginning of the day. And I had so much more fuel to parent and be present just because I was finally giving my body what it needed and I was filling those nutritional gaps.